So, in my previous video I was asking what are these black lines for. This vertical line is for aiming, so it defines the felling direction, but there is this kind of horizontal lines. So I got lots of comments. There was many right ones, or that explained the reason why they are for. So let's see in practice what's the purpose of those lines. So the bar doesn't come through. I want a even hinge. So with these lines I can aim that the hinge will be as even this side or as thick this side than that side. So when you are sticking a tree and it's so thick that the bar won't go through, with help of these lines you can aim the hinge.